Hi, this is Dr.R.Alarmelu Mangai, Department of Computer Science, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In our video series, today we are going to discuss about steps to create startup. So we all know what is startup. Now we will see how we are going to create a startup. So under that, first step is problem identification. Then comes ideation and solution or validation. Find your dream team, customer persona and customer validation, prototype and validation, marketing plan and building a landing scape, business and revenue model, finally funding. So you all know startup is nothing but giving new ideas, innovations for your business. So here you have to find out the problem which is the basic requirement of the customer. So whenever we are starting a startup, the main motive is to satisfy the customer needs and to solve the customer problems. Now under the problem identification, we have to understand the problem which we want to solve, and this is the first step because your entire business will revolve around solving this problem. Ideation and solution or validation. So for a particular problem you can have many number of solutions, that is more number of solutions. So in that you have to find out which will be adopted to your problem. Come up with ideas for how to solve the problem and validate those ideas. This might involve market research, surveys, or talking to potential customers to see if your solution resonates with them. Next is finding your dream team. You have to build your team. Build a team of people with the skills and passion to help your idea turn into reality. This might include developers, designers, marketers, and other professionals. Next is customer persona and customer validation. You should know the detailed profile of your customer. So create a detailed profile of your ideal customer and validate your solution with them to ensure it meets your needs. Next is prototype and validation. Build a prototype or minimum viable product of your software and test it with the real users to gather the feedback and make improvements. Marketing plan and building a landscape. Develop a market plan to attract the customers to your software and build a landing page to capture leads and generate interest. So main thing in your startup is to create the leads. Lead creation is very much important, where you will be converting the visitors into the customers. Next is business and revenue model. Determine how your software will make money. This could be through subscriptions, one-time purchases, advertising, and other revenue streams. Next is funding, which is a final step. So in order to create a startup, you need money for investment. So decide how much funding you need to get your startup off the ground and where you will get it from. This might involve bootstrapping, seeking investment from venture capitalists or angel investors, or crowdfunding. So starting from problem identification, what you have to do is you have to find out the problem, find the solution of the problem, and how you will be marketing it, and how you will get the money out of it, and for the investment what you are going to do. So these are all the steps for creating a startup. Next comes the assessment. You should have a thorough idea of the steps in creating a startup. So this is your link for your reference. In the next class, we are going to see how to create a business, a step-by-step plan. Thank you.